So in the next 48 hours, we're going to take this bathroom from dark and dingy to clean and glowing. One of the big issues with this being the only bathroom and doing a makeover is, well, I mean, it's the only bathroom. The vent doesn't work, which causes the mildew to build up, paint to peel, the floor to curl up. And just the overall experience of being in this bathroom is not only depressing, but it's probably affecting our health. Naturally, a couple of serious nails right there, right where I want to be. Not surprisingly, one of the biggest challenges to doing this and recording it is getting me and the camera in the bathroom at the same time. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How can it not fit? Oh. Never easy. Normally, if you're doing a really great job, you take this stuff off the wall. But we're not trying to do a great job. We're trying to make this stuff just 1% better so that we can last and get back to the, or get over to the real renovation. So this is, like I said, just a reset, a spruce up. But the real train of thought that I was getting to, the real strategies, is whether or not you paint the field of the wall first or the corners and around the trim with a brush. Normally, if I start with the brush, I tend to get really wide, and then I paint way too long with the brush, and I waste a lot of time. So I try to remind myself, start with the field, and then get as close as I can, and then I have to do a lot less with the brush because it takes a lot longer. Then, you know, obviously self-control plays a part, because you got to remind yourself not to get too close to the roller. But anyway, food for thought. As you can see, I'm not finished. There's still a lot of work to do. Still got to get some paint, still got to change the flooring, and we still got to put some of the room back together. But at some point, I got to admit defeat. It's taken a lot longer than I thought. Not because the bathroom was overwhelming or because there was that much more work, but because life's gotten in the way almost at every turn. So I'm going to keep working on it and get it completed, but I've got to end this video.